Hi kids, Lindsay. All right, English class. Guess what we're going to do? That's right, style test. Last time I didn't ask enough questions. So, starting off today, we're going to ask some questions. Please, whoever I ask, write your answers in the comments. Teacher Joyce and Teacher Emily have said you have not written some of the answers in the comments. They will not forget that. All right, let's ask this. Number 2. Please write the answer, number 2, in your comments on my video. Is there an elevator in your house? Is there an elevator in your house? Number 9. Will you get many red envelopes this year? Number 31. How much does 20 plus 20 equal? How much does 20 plus 20 equal? So you will write 20 plus 20 equals and what the answer is. Cool. Don't forget to write equals. Don't write the sign. Good. All right. Number 9. Tell me a country which is in Europe. So tell me a country which is in Europe. So I want you to write it like this. Blah, blah, blah is a country which is in Europe. Blah, blah, blah is a country which is in Europe. Good? Number 16. Do you open presents on Christmas Eve? When you write Christmas Eve, big C, big E, okay? Christmas Eve. Do you open presents, P-R-E-S-E-N-T-S? Do you open presents on Christmas Eve? Number 8. Is hate, H-A-T, a bad emotion? Is hate a bad emotion? Good. Next one, number 19. Do you have an uncle who earns a lot of money? Do you have an uncle who earns a lot of money? Number 20. Do you always put your clean socks in the dresser? Do you always put your clean socks in the dresser? Number 10. Do you think Lindsay is drunk? Do you think Lindsay is drunk? Of course, no. All right. Oh, I have another one. Number 4. Do you listen to your elders? Do you listen to your elders? All right, let's start the next part of this. We wrote sentences all the way to number 148, and the word is even. All right. Even, there are some ways to use this one. You could write a sentence, for example, even I like ice cream. So that would mean everyone likes ice cream. I like it too. Even I like ice cream. So write that sentence. Even, big E. Even I like ice cream. It means me too, of course. Even I like ice cream. But I want you to write another sentence with the word even. Even I like ice cream is your first sentence. The next sentence I want you to write is, the game is even. Now, what does that mean, the game is even? If you and I are playing a game and the score is 3-3, then they're both the same, so the game is even. So you don't have more points than me. I don't have more points than you. The game is even. You understand? So the game is even. All right, write that one. Okay, we have to go down to the next page. Yay, so fun. Let me find it. The one at the top is event. So let's write a sentence with the word event. So let's write this one. There is an event happening at the mall. There is an event E-V-E-N-T, happening, I-N-G, at the mall. Now, what is the mall? The mall is a little bit like a department store, you know, global mall, where there are many, many stores together. That's called a mall inside. Sometimes they have a Christmas event, so Santa Claus will ask boys and girls what they want for Christmas. Sometimes they will have parties. All of those things are events. So there is an event happening at the mall. If I go too fast, just push stop. Next one, except. Write the sentence. Everyone is ugly except Lindsay. Everyone is ugly except Lindsay. Write that one. That's a good sentence. Everyone is ugly except Lindsay. What are you going to write? Next one, exit. Exit is a noun. When you go to a movie theater, you should always look for the exits. If there's a fire, you want to run to the fire. No, you want to run to the exit. So let's write that sentence. Oh, I know. Please walk slowly to the exit. Please walk slowly to the exit. Okay, good. Next one. Oh, expect. Write the sentence. I expect my father to arrive at 5 o'clock. I expect my father to arrive at 5 o'clock. I expect my father to arrive at 5 o'clock. Next one, experience. That woman has a lot of baking experience. B-A-K-I-N-G. That woman has a lot of baking experience. What does that mean? That means that she bakes a lot. What is bake? Make cookies, making cake, making desserts, making bread, making pizza. So she has a lot of experience doing this. So that woman has a lot of baking, B-A-K-I-N-G, experience. Next one, extra. You know what I'm going to say. I want extra cheese on my pizza. But I don't want you to write that sentence, okay? I want you to write this. I got extra points on my test. I got, G-O-T, extra points on my test, P-O-I-N-T-S. Now what does that mean? Let's say that you have a test and your teacher says, there's one more question at the bottom. If you can answer that question, I will give you 5 extra points. Or maybe you did your homework very well this weekend. Your teacher says, oh, well, if you did all your homework very well, you can have 10 extra points. So your test was a 90, but you have 10 extra points. So actually your test is a 100. So I got extra points on my test. Next one, fail is a verb. Write the sentence. When you fail, you should try again. When you fail, you should try again. Fail is the verb. When you fail, you should try again. All right, next one. Failure. All right, write the sentence. You are a failure when you don't try again. No, that's not a good sentence. You don't want to be a failure. Sometimes people don't want to try again. So write the sentence. Nobody is a failure. I like that sentence. Nobody is a failure. Next one. Fair, F-A-I-R. All right. How to use this word fair? In this sentence, the word fair means everything is equal. It's not fair if you eat all the candy and I don't eat any. That's not fair. So write this sentence. We always try to be fair. We always try to be fair. If something is not fair, that means you get more than me or I get more than you. So that's not fair. We always try to be fair. Next one, false. Now we use the word false in our book all the time. True and false. So, another way to use the word false. All right. We're not going to use it as a noun. We're going to use it as an adjective. So something is false. If I say, that is a false sentence, write that sentence. That is a false sentence. So I say a sentence, but that sentence is false. That is a false sentence. For example, if I say, Lindsay is Taiwanese. Well, that is a false sentence. That's not true. I'm not Taiwanese. All right, next one. Familiar. Write this sentence. I am not familiar with this restaurant. I am not familiar with this restaurant. I never went to that restaurant before. I have never been to that restaurant. I am not familiar with this restaurant. Next sentence. Famous. All right. She became a famous actor. A-C-T-O-R. She became a famous actor. Next one, fault. Usually we'll say a sentence like, it's not my fault. So let's write this one. It's your fault that you left the door open. It's your fault that you left the door open. Maybe the cat ran away. Whose fault is it? Well, it's your fault that you left the door open. So the cat ran away. Everybody's crying. Okay. All right, let's read the next one. Fear. All right. The noun and the verb. Write the sentence for the noun. If you see a scary dog, don't show fear. If you see a scary dog, don't show fear. F-E-A-R. Now what does that mean? If the dog is scary and you run and scream and shout, that dog will try to bite you because you show the dog you are scared. So you show fear and he will try to bite you. It's his nature. So don't show fear. So let's write it as a verb. Got it? So let's write this one. My cousin fears heights. H-E-I-G-H-T-S. My cousin, C-O-U-S-I-N. My cousin fears heights. H-E-I-G-H-T-S. What does that mean? My cousin fears heights. That means your cousin is scared of high places. Maybe you fear heights. Maybe I fear heights. So write the sentence. My cousin fears heights. Next one. I can't find it. Where is it? I fear faults, familiar, famous, fear, feather. Good. All right. Write this one. Birds have feathers. I know that's really hard for you to write, right? Birds have feathers. I want to write that because a lot of you get confused, and some of you write birds have fur, F-U-R. No, 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 no. That's wrong. Birds have feathers. All right? Dogs have fur. Polar bears have fur. Dogs have fur. I already said that. Cats have fur. Now, people don't have fur or feathers. People have hair. Maybe your father has a lot of hair on his arm. So, people have hair. Dogs have fur. Birds have feathers. So write that, please. Next one. I can't find it. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Female. You know, female is the girl. Male is the boy. You've learned it before. Female and male. So let's look at female. So let's write this one. I don't know if the turtle is male or female. I don't know if the turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, is male or female, M-A-L-E, or female. All right, next one. Fence. Write this sentence. There is a white fence around my house. There is a white fence around my house. A white fence is very pretty and clean. All right, and your dog can run around in the fence. So there is a white fence around, A-R-O-U-N-D, my house. Very good. Festival. You've learned this before. Moon festivals, Dragon Boat Festival. I want to do a different one. Let's do this one. Mm. The students danced at the spring festival. The students danced, D-A-N-C-E-D, at the spring festival. In some countries, we have a spring festival. It's like a holiday in the spring. So Taiwan has dragon boat festivals. Some countries have Christmas festivals, but other countries have a spring festival. You put flowers in your hair and you dance. So the students danced at the spring festival. Next one, fever. Oh, I hope you don't have a fever. All right. So write this sentence. I want to check to see if you have a fever. I want to check, C-H-E-C-K. I want to check to see if you have a fever. Next sentence, few. All right. The word few. Let me find it. Okay. It's not easy to use the word few. Let's start this one. I ate a few cherries. C-H-E-R-R-I-E-S. That means not many. I ate a few cherries. How many did you eat? A few. I ate a few cherries. Got it? So let's look at another way. Another one. As the pronoun, a few of the boys like her. A few of the boys like her. You could just say, few boys like her. It just means how many, okay? So write the sentence, a few of the boys like her. Got it? All right. Field, F-I-E-L-D. Let's write this one. We saw a field of corn, F-I-E-L-D. We saw a field of corn, C-O-R-N. Next one, fight, the verb. Now, it could be a noun. I saw a fight. Let's do it as a verb. Don't fight in school. Just write it. It's very easy. Don't fight in school. In that sentence, fight is the verb. Don't fight in school. Next one, fireworks. Fireworks should have an S on it. So let's write this sentence. We watched the fireworks in the sky. We watched the fireworks in the sky. An easy way to remember the vocabulary. I'm not asking you difficult grammar or giving you difficult grammar sentences. I just want you to remember the vocabulary. All right, but it's time to ask some questions. Number 3. Did you check to see if you have a fever? Did you check to see if you have a fever? Number 11. Is there a fence around your house? Probably not, right? Is there a fence around your house? Number 37. Are female dogs louder? I don't think so. Are female dogs louder? Probably not. Number 21. Do you fear spiders? Do you fear spiders? S-P-I-D-E-R-S. Number 6. Do some people write with feathers? Do some people write with feathers? You know, a long time ago, people used a feather and they put it in the ink. So, yes or no, I don't care. Do some people write with feathers? Yes, some people. Okay, let's try famous. Got it? Is Taiwan famous for pineapples? Taiwan, T-A-I-W-A-N. Is Taiwan famous for pineapples? Good. Number 1. Is Dragon Boat Festival exciting? Is Dragon Boat Festival, when you write Dragon Boat Festival, big D, big B, big F. Is Dragon Boat Festival exciting? All right. Number 15. Can we pick strawberries in the field? Can we pick strawberries in the field? Number 29. Did you fight your classmate? Did you fight your classmate? Number 23. Did you see the fireworks last year? Did you see the fireworks last year? All right, let's do the vocabulary some more. Number 172. Fit. All right. My shoes fit. F-I-T. As the verb, my shoes fit. Because shoes has a S, fit will not. If your shoes are too big or too small, they do not fit. But if your shoes fit, Alexa, stop. That means they are the right size. So my shoes fit mean they are the right size. That's what it means. My shoes fit. All right. Also, the word fit, if I say my grandfather is fit, that means he exercises and he eats well and he's not fat and he walks, runs, plays, so he's strong. So write the sentence, my grandfather is fit. Now maybe your grandfather is not fit. He watches TV all day. So you could write, my grandfather is not fit. All right, my timer says we are done for today, so see you next time, kids. Bye-bye.